Careful. Don't break the gingerbread.
I'm not going to break the gingerbread. It's gingerbread. What's the word that happens? We have to eat it? How does the fucking thing go together?
Why don't you try reading the instructions?
There are no instructions. It's only like candy and gingerbread. I need the stuff.
Why don't you look at the box?
Oh, there's instructions on the box.
Don't eat the icing. You're not going to have enough.
We'll get more icing. It's cheap. I'm sure I'm going to burst this bag. Damn it. This is a pain in the ass.
I think that's enough on there.
I don't think it is.
If you put too much, it's not going to stick.
I have been playing with Legos and stuff my whole damn life. You don't know how this is supposed to be. I know. I've been playing with food my whole damn life. I did not choose the candy life. The candy life chose me. Just so you know. Are you just going to stand there and even help? Can you, I can't do this. I can't even see what's happening. Can you help, please?
I thought you were the expert on candy houses.
I need your help, okay?
Help.
I'm like a contractor. I need you to get hired right now, and I'm not paying you anything, but get over here. Can you help? Oh my God, please help. Oh my God, it's coming down.
Just hold it like that for the next hour until it dries.
No.
It says no.
There we go. I can't get the roof. Where's the other piece of the roof? Well, the fucking thing. God damn it! Okay, I got it. Fuck! There we go. I got a good feel. Son of a bitch! God damn it! Fuck! What happened?
That's what you get when you slam things down.
I didn't slam anything down! Fuck! Does that still look good, at least?
It looks really nice.
Help me fix it. That window is broken, so I can't do that one exactly right, but... And then the finishing touch.
What are you? Those aren't even going to stick. Chris, you're going to get it everywhere. Ugh.
Okay, be honest with me. How's it look?
Pretty much looks like the box.
No, it doesn't. Fuck!
Oh, fuck.
Sorry.
I cannot believe this mess. You got icing everywhere. It's all over the carpet. There's candy everywhere.
I'm sorry, okay?
I do not want to clean this up. You're cleaning this one up.
Should we do the gingerbread man first?